If you look back the manufacturing industry in Hong Kong, the important ingredient of made in Hong Kong is actually the trustworthiness perceived by the buyers. This trust developed over a long time. We need to do whatever we can, not just to preserve it, to enhance it to the next level.
Right now, majority of our economy is in the service industry. We used to have a lot of manufacturing in our economy. We need to bring some of that back.
In the past, the GDP contribution of manufacturing was 25% and eventually become less than 1% after 2010. So you can see de-industrialization happening.
We talk about it as reindustrialization rather than just industrialization of manufacturing because we need to think of a new way to do it. That means efficiency, quality, low cost, high quality products, but also at the same time, diversity of economy and high-end employment for the younger generations.
We never say impossible. We always say possible. That's our spirit from our manufacturing system. I'm a Hong Kong born, as a 65 years old man now. I've been involved in this business since 1979. At that time, not too many products in the market. So we followed a simple manufacturing system. But today, without any innovation and creativity, I don't think your product can sell well. We are thinking about how we can apply the new technology that might benefit our product development in the future. We are using a lot of data collection of new software, new AI technology, design processing, also that's including our nanotechnology too. Advanced manufacturing is talking about how to keep your company going with new technology. Without any innovation and creativity, you'll be kicked out from the market very soon.
Our role is to support companies with innovation and technology so that they can create new growth engine for Hong Kong. Advanced Manufacturing Center are basically a very specialized manufacturing space which can provide a much higher spec that you can not find in Hong Kong easily. There's no way that you can be competitive if you do not have some kind of advanced processes or manufacturing techniques. I think advanced manufacturing is an inevitable element to the overall industrialization process.
I'm sure that if today's direction still move on, within 10 years, I think our manufacturing value should be go up a lot.
When we talk about manufacturing, it doesn't have to be the old style industry. We need to look forward. This is a new journey that Hong Kong is taking on. We have to work together to make it work.